Thick frost or ice building up inside your freezer. Food covered in ice crystals? The defrost system has failed. How frost-free freezers work. Every 6 to 12 hours, the defrost heater turns on for about 20 minutes. It melts any frost on the evaporator coils. The water drains down a tube into a drip pan. Then the freezer resumes cooling. You never see this happening because it runs automatically. When the defrost system fails, frost accumulates on the evaporator coils. The coils get covered in ice. Airflow is blocked. The freezer gets warm even though the compressor keeps running. Eventually, you get thick frost on the walls and ceiling of the freezer. 3 defrost components that fail. The defrost heater, a heating element that melts frost on the coils. When it burns out, no melting occurs. The defrost thermostat, it signals when coils are cold enough to need defrosting and when they're warm enough to stop. When it fails, the heater never activates. The defrost timer or control board controls the cycle timing. When it fails, the system never enters defrost mode. Repair costs. Defrost heater $150 to $250. Defrost thermostat $100 to $200. Defrost timer or board $150 to $300. A tech with a multimeter can test each component to find which one failed. Quick temporary fix. Unplug the freezer for 24 hours with the door open. All the frost melts. This buys you time but doesn't fix the root cause. Freezer defrost repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.